walks ahead. We follow, step by step. Light in the shadow, hope in the night. A gentle hand, a guiding light. Not by might, not by force, but love shows the way, charts the course. Leave behind the noise, the pride. Trust in Him to be your guide. Follow the Savior. Every step, every mile. Follow the Savior. Walk in meekness, walk in style. Heart aligned, spirit near. Christ-centered discipleship, casting out fear. Serve the poor, lift the weak. Speak His words, let love speak in quiet moments. In trials, face the Savior's path cannot be replaced. Not alone, He walks with you. Every trial, every truth. Follow the Savior. Through the storm, through the calm. Follow the Savior. Let His love be your balm. Step by step, day by day. Christ-centered discipleship shows the way. Look to Him, walk with Him, serve like Him. Look, walk, serve. Not duty, not ritual, but a life of love.